Hey friends, if you wish to check what version of Microsoft Excel you have on your computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's not very difficult. So open Microsoft Excel, click on File. Now go to Account. It shows the version here. It says like it's version 2501 and then it shows the build here. But there's a catch to it. This may not be the latest build. To be sure that you have the latest build, click on update options and select update now. And it will need quite a long time to update. Okay, now in my case it says you up to date unlucky, but if it was updating, it would have needed a long time for that. And when you update Excel, it will also update Word and PowerPoint for sure. It may also update other Office apps, but Word and PowerPoint for sure. Okay. It will show all the apps that will be updated here. For example, OneNote will also be updated. And you can click on this option here. It shows the version and other details as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.